Hello! Hello mga boss. So, welcome again sa video natin. Today, we are going to talk about how we are going to select a plan. So, warning lang guys, itong pag-select ng plan dito sa ating Shopify is medyo mahal na siya ngayon, no? Sa domain name, we are paying this for a year for 700 pesos. Pero, I don't know with dito sa ating Shopify. Kasi ito yung binabayaran natin, no? Yung Shopify na platform. Iba yung domain name, hindi pa yung siya final. Yung Shopify na platform is babayaran natin siya. Gagamitin na talaga natin yung whole process, yung whole na business ng Shopify. Again, hindi nyo to kailangan gawin. No, kasi usually pag i-hire kayo na as freelancer dito sa ating Shopify, sa mga clients nyo, is hindi niya kayo ang gagawa nito. Mga clients na ang gagawa nito. Pero, yun nga, if you have a business, pwede itong gawin. Alright? Watch this video. Click natin yung select a plan. Oh my gosh. Mahal na sila ngayon. $29. So, medyo mahal na sila ngayon guys. Dati, we are paying only $13. No, $13 lang yan siya last year. Times 50. So, $650 per month lang po yung binabayaran namin. Ngayon, is $29 times 50. 1,450 na po ang kailangan bayaran in order for us, Cessna, to get the basic Shopify plan. Alright? Pero, yun nga, for the purpose of this presentation, kailangan natin tong bilihin, no? Sa ating HBC clothing. Okay? So, click natin to. Hindi natin kailangan. Kasi, usually, ang mga plans din sa mga client is pag starting pa lang dito. Pero usually ito yung kinukuha nila para magka-add ka ng 5 staff members. And then, yung malalaking talaga na accounts is usually ito yung pinipili nila. So again guys, if you're a freelancer, you don't have to worry about this kasi nga, hindi po tayo ang magbabayad ng mga Shopify plans. Alright, for the purpose of this presentation, we're going to click this. Let's go! Boom! Choose plan. Nako. 1 year. Okay, papipiliin tayo dito guys ha. Subtotal $312. $26 na lang siya per month. Every month na lang guys. Kasi medyo tayo ba din? 312. My God. 312 times 50. So, 15,600 ang kailangan kong bayaran if I'm going to click ang yearly. Hindi ko yan siya bibilin guys. Napakamahal ng Shopify. Alright? So, saan bang cancel ito guys? Escape. Alright. So, monthly tayo. 29 times 50. Boom. 1,450 yung babayaran ko ngayon. Kasi hindi ko pa kayang bayaran yung 312. Kung 312 pesos, kahit bibili tayo ng 3. Anyway guys, click natin yung monthly and then build now, subtotal to staff members, good Shopify shipping discounts, Shopify print of sale for markets and events, tax-free, tax every 30 days, you will be charged $29 per when your trial ends, okay? Okay, so i-charge nila yung $29 if mag-ano ko ng pag mag-expire na yung trial ko, which is yung 14 days. Okay? So, start plan na tayo guys. Okay? Boom. Tignan natin. Ito yung credit card na binili natin kanina sa ating domain name. Monthly lang tayo. And there you have it guys. We are now officially live sa ating Shopify. Okay? Let's try to view our website. Kung pwede na ba tayo ka-purchase. Okay, let's do that one sa next video. Okay? Okay, sa next video, what will happen ngayon is officially live na po tayo guys, no? Live na po itong store natin. Okay? hbcclothing.com is live na. So, ang question ko ngayon is, ang video natin sa next video is, since wala pa tayong orders dito, di ba wala pang orders, ipakita na paano ba mag-order and ano yung makikita natin dito na detail. Okay? So, see you sa next video. We are going to try to make an order. Okay? See you guys.